unprecedented turmoil continues since 3rd of May. And this violence still continue. And after this, 1st September, the magnitude of the violence has been totally changed. Since 1st September, the use of these high sophisticated armories like using the high-tech drones, these bombarding to the civilians, and to at the different places like in Imphal West district, Imphal East district, and Bishnupur district. And after these using high-tech bombing, and again these militants are using these RPGs, rocket-propelled grenades explosions with high-range sophisticated bombing. And in that bombing, these many civilians were killed, and also a lot of casualties still there in the hospital. After this, the magnitude has been changed from 1st September. Many of the students were also agitated against the government because of these inactions of the government, the failures to control the law and order situation there in Manipur. So till yesterday, hundreds of students were injured, and also they are still in the hospital. It's very sad to hear, and it's very condemnable, the attacks of the police to the students who are demanding the justice for the people of Manipur. And you see, after this 1st September, the people are quite unrest. So how you see, you please imagine that the bombarding with high-tech drones, how can the civilians live? And how can these civilians will think over that in that situations you see? So it's a very high sophisticated these weapons. It is like using there in the war, the conflict between Russia and Ukraine, and this Israel and Palestine. So these honorable prime ministers all the time, he is concerning about the resolving of the Russia-Ukraine conflict. He all the time mentions, he visited over there, and again concerned about the Israel-Palestine conflict. I've seen different tweets in the X, and also many there in the breaking news in the different channels. So after this 3rd May, the people, you see, the more than 60,000 are still in the relief camp who are displaced from their respective places. And also hundreds of people were killed under this violence. So these prime ministers is concerned about the different countries, the conflict, and why not? Honorable Prime Minister is not concerning about this conflict in Manipur, which is his own state and his own people. So we are really upset about the inactions of these honorable prime ministers.